5 creative ways to show your love without saying I love you. This video can feature unique and thoughtful gestures that demonstrate love in actions rather than words. You can share tips and ideas on how to show love in creative ways, emphasizing the importance of actions over mere words. The science behind love languages, understanding how to express love, explore the concept of love languages and how they influence relationships. Offer insights on how to identify and cater to your partner's love language, fostering better communication and understanding in your relationship. DIY love coupons. Surprise your partner with tokens of love. Show viewers how to create personalized love coupons that can be redeemed for acts of love and kindness. This can be a fun and interactive video for couples looking to add excitement and intimacy to their relationship. Love is in the little things, appreciating everyday moments with your partner. Highlight the significance of cherishing small moments and gestures in a relationship. Share heartwarming stories and examples of love in everyday life, inspiring viewers to appreciate the beauty of simple gestures. Relationship challenges, overcoming obstacles and strengthening your love. Address common challenges faced in relationships and provide practical advice on how to overcome them. Topics can include long-distance relationships, trust issues, and effective communication strategies to build resilience and strengthen your bond.